In face doing a main challenge now for Mike for the Sprewell NT Auto. Challenge live. List has Rob to Rob. We'll copy that list into the randomizer at 9:05 PM local time. Rob on top, Rob on the bottom. Dice roller 2 dice, no snake eyes. We're going 11 times. There is mini winners in this one. Let's be running one. Let's go 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Steve on top one more time. 906. Congrats to spot 10. It's Rob picking it up. Had to go 11 times. Did go 11 times. Verification code at the bottom. And spot 10. Rob picking it up. Congrats. Challenge complete.